Everything starts at controlled aquaculture farms, where sturgeon are raised in carefully managed environments. Once they reach maturity, they're transferred to processing facilities under strict conditions. Here, the goal is precision. Every step is designed to protect quality before the caviar extraction even begins.
This is where the process begins. Sturgeon are carefully prepared before the caviar extraction starts.
The yield is exceptional today.
Agreed, the new sorting system makes a difference.
Quality control is looking good.
These eggs are carefully separated. This step determines the quality of the final caviar.
The yield is high today. Yes, quality looks good too. Keep those trays moving. The vibration is steady.
Yeah.
Particles dropping.
Starters.
Starting the conveyors. Looks good.
Right now, they're sorting by quality. Only the best eggs move forward in the process.
Parameters are stable, optimal separation.
This is the most delicate stage. The roe is carefully removed and separated without damaging the eggs. From here, it's cleaned, rinsed, and filtered multiple times. Even the smallest impurity can affect quality, so everything is handled with extreme care and control.
Now they're ready for curing. This is where flavor, texture, and value are defined.
Now comes curing. A precise amount of salt is added, not just for flavor, but for preservation and texture. Too much or too little can ruin the entire batch. This step is what transforms raw roe into true caviar.
The temperature is 9.3 degrees Celsius.
This batch feels slightly firmer than the last.
This step is critical. Salt controls flavor, texture, and how long the caviar can be preserved.
The process appears stable, within parameters. Excellent.
Excellent. Maintain the current speed.
Now it's ready for packaging. This is where it becomes a finished luxury product.
Once cured, the caviar is portioned into tins with exact measurements. Every container is sealed, labeled, and tracked.
From here, it moves into cold storage, where temperature control is critical to maintaining freshness and quality.
The weights are consistently within specification.
Excellent. Maintain current production speed.
Monitoring for any fluctuations. Status remains green.
This is where precision matters. Every tin must meet exact weight and quality standards.
From here, it's shipped under strict cold chain conditions to luxury markets and restaurants.
Temperature control is critical. This keeps the caviar fresh and preserves its quality.
Keep it steady. Clear. Moving on the line. Watch the gap.
By the time it reaches the table, every detail, from harvest to handling, has shaped its final quality.
From farm to table, every step is controlled. This is what makes caviar one of the world's most premium foods.